Hey there, we're back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the rainbow ring. So first step, you're going to make a pentagon out of a ring of specks. This is a super basic move. Just wrap your chain around a ring of 5 specks and keep wrapping until you have a pentagon that is 4 specks on each side. So I used our Spectrum 1000 set for this, and I made 2 pentagons out of each color. Here I'm joining the light blue with the dark green and light green. And then I'm going to take the other 3 pentagons of the same color and join them in a loop like this. This is just to ensure that all of the pentagons are aligned. You're going to want to flatten them out and then repeat the same process with all of the colors. The key to making this shape work is to just ensure that all of the pentagons are aligned in the same direction when you join them. And there you have it, the rainbow ring. Super easy and cute.